My name is Paul Benson. I'm 69 years old, retired 2 years ago. I've enjoyed being retired. It's a lot of activities, a lot of projects. It's been a pretty active retirement post-work. I'm also a fairly active shooter and hunter. My shoulders have had some hard times over the years, various activities, motorcycle riding, ultralight airplanes, things like that have kind of taken their toll on my shoulders, in addition to mowing the lawn and doing all kinds of those things. It was becoming increasingly painful for me to be able to do my activities. I had worked at Medical City Las Colinas. I knew the personnel here. It was a very easy decision for me to come back to Las Colinas.
This is his joint space. There's normally a gap between the two bones, and he's actually bone on bone here. Mr. Benson came to me with severe pain in his shoulder and inability to reach overhead. He had x-rays that showed very advanced arthritis, and so we decided to do a reverse shoulder replacement, where we actually cut out the bad bone and put an artificial joint. And a lot of it is surgical, but most of the recovery is going to be physical therapy.
It's been, a couple of months since the surgery. Started physical therapy aggressively about 3 weeks ago. I have another 5 weeks to go of physical therapy, but it's interesting that the daily activities just keep getting stronger and stronger. I'm able to do more things around the house, which my wife is happy about. I'm able to do more recreational projects, which I'm happy about. And it's really just made a big difference in the satisfaction of daily life. My experience here at Medical City Las Colinas was excellent. I couldn't imagine a better experience anywhere else.